Hey, this is Greg with Superior Cleaning Equipment, and we're pretty excited to talk to you today about the new Landa VHG stationary natural gas model that is newly designed for 2024. And we happen to get one of the first models in that has an option that we think is going to be incredibly popular, which is the all stainless steel frame and panel unit. If you don't know about this unit, this is a Landa staple. Stationary natural gas units have been huge sellers for Landa. They do a phenomenal job with them. Belt drive, time delay shutdown. You can get them in auto start stop. They're natural gas fired or propane. And there's some new features on this unit that I've been asking about. I was on the design committee with some other fellow dealers, and we pushed hard for some of these features I'm going to show you today. First of all, the all stainless steel feature for the frame and the panels is a $3,000 upgrade, which we think is an incredible value. I'm going to show you the frame here in a little bit. As usual, with all Landa machines, they come standard with 50 foot of pressure hose, and they come with a variable pressure wand, a stainless steel variable pressure wand and trigger gun. This is not your cheap online stainless steel variable pressure wand. This combination allows us to use downstream injection. You know, turn this down to zero, put a downstream injector on there. You've seen this. We have this in some other videos. So I'll put this over here for right now. What I want to show you is that Landa does a phenomenal job on their graphics, English, Spanish, French labels, UL approved equipment. Same thing up here on their safety graphics. This is an embossed or a cutout on the Landa logo here. You've got your adjustable thermostat. You've got your pump, burner, and chemical toggle switches. But something new on this model is you've got a separate hour meter for your pump and for your burner. So you can see how long the machine's running and how long the machine's running on hot water, labeled right here. Another nice feature about this machine is that on the old Landa VHG models, which were a favorite of ours, of most dealers, they had these Allen wrenches and easy to access sealed cabinets. So what's really nice about this machine that I love, and it makes it so industrial, I'm gonna grab a wrench here, is that you just take an Allen wrench or a socket and you just undo this one turn, and now you have access to the machine. So see this? All of this is sealed here, waterproof. Look at the frame. Everything's in stainless steel. You've got a totally enclosed fan-cooled motor. I'm going to take the front of it off for us as well, on top of the pump. So the pump is not on top of the motor like in some models of competitors, so it can leak and get down on the motor. And you've got easy access here, again, for servicing, for access, for weather. Everything is awesome that way. Same thing here. You want to access the top of the machine. It is just 2 bolts. You lift this off, and now as far as serviceability goes with your smart relay system, you've got full access to here. Again, all sealed. I mean, this is phenomenal. Big upgrade from a lot of different manufacturers and models. We asked for this as a dealer group, and we got it. And if you take a look at the wiring and the strips in here, you can see how incredibly clean and nice this is, especially with the stainless steel. It is absolutely first class. Same thing here. You want to get to this model, want to get to the front of it. 2 turns, you just pull it out, and now you've got full access to the machine. So why is stainless steel important, even if we're not in California or on the East Coast or somewhere? Stainless steel is important because I actually have personal experience with having this type of model in the machine for 10, 15 years, and then the customer came back and said, I don't have the money in my capital budget to buy a new one, would you rebuild it? So sometimes over a certain period of time, and we have done a bunch of them where we actually took it, stripped it all down, and we put a new pump, motor, coil, the whole 9 yards. Well, the biggest issue for these is going to be the wear on the metal and the corrosion from the environment on the metal. In here, look at this. I can rebuild this machine for as long as they want me to rebuild this machine, right? Because I can replace that motor, I can replace that pump, I can go over that coil. This is not going to rust. This is not going to corrode. It's all stainless steel. So I'm thrilled with this machine. We're going to be selling a lot of these models, I think. And it's easy to service. It's going to be durable. Landa machines can be more money, but you get a great return on investment on a machine like this. So we appreciate you watching. Our website, as you know, is www.sceclean.com. It's a dirty world. We can help, and we are continuing to do so, and we appreciate the time and you watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and we look forward to hearing from you.